In this video, we will show you how to create contact list in Outlook. To create contact list in Outlook, it's very easy. First, you need to open your Outlook. You can using desktop version or using web version. Okay. To creating a list of your contact, you can just go to people. Okay. In here, to create contact list, you can go to this contact list menu. Okay, if you don't have one, you can just click create contact list button here. Then in here, you need to define your list name. For example, I creating IT division, and you can add the description. For example, IT department. Okay, you can just add description, but this is not required, so you can leave it blank if you want. And in here, you need to add the email. For example, add. Okay, after you add one email, you can add another email. For example, like this, you can add many emails you want and save it as IT division. Then we can click create. In here, it's easier to make email and send them into your contact list. For example, you can just click this to email them. Okay, so email you send from this will send on IT division. Okay, all email in IT division. And you can also creating the email by accessing this check button and click this email, or you can also using regular Outlook like this, for example, and you can create new email. And when you want to sending into IT division, you can just click two button here. Okay, then you can see your contact list will appear in contact or my contact. You can just tick this and click save. So all email or all message will send into the IT division list. And that's all. Tutorial how to create contact list in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.